In disaster rescue missions, there is no usable communication when there is power outage. Pegatron and Intel have built up a 5G Open Range solution and offer more flexibility, more choices, and increased agility.
台湾是一个海岛，地理上又有群山环绕，许多偏乡地区位于交通不易到达的地方。一旦发生重大的灾害，导致通讯中断、交通中断，和硕在5G 专网的技术上，已经非常成熟，同时更领先台湾的业界。
Just a small generator can power the 5G base station and provide a communication solution for rescue personnel. In a mission-critical scenario, we need efficient communication. The command center has to understand the real situation, so we provide low-latency, multi-party voice, and video communication and high-resolution video streaming. In the future, 5G Open RAN will be a big ecosystem. More and more 5G network solutions and applications will be developed for different fields. Pegatron will continue to leverage Intel's latest technologies to accelerate network transformation in the future. Next generation commercial 5G vRAN or Open RAN can reduce network capex and opex, improving network efficiency and performance and importing new capabilities with great agility.